Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's new episode. So today I'll be showing you my working strategies that I use to trade using technical analysis. I'll show you how I interpret my trade, how I find entry points, and how I enter the market. So stay tuned until the end of this video to watch how I do this. So I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. So I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. So with this link, just write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat. So in this private chat, there are other members there as well, and they really benefit from this private chat. They discuss with each other, they receive trading signals that I post there once a day. They're able to ask me questions as well. I also post their crypto news. So I'm inviting you to join, whether you're an advanced trader or a new trader. There is always something new to always learn, so please join. And also don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to be able to share this video to other people that you know, so that they can be able to learn as well about crypto trading. So let's get started. So hello friends, so today I'll be showing you my working strategy that I use while I'm trading. So today I'll be using a working frame of 15 seconds and I'll be trading from 1 minute to 3 minutes. So I'll show you several transactions. I'll show you how to open them step by step and be able to enter a trade and make profit. So stay tuned until the end of this video to see the results of this trade. So let's get started. So this is the level of resistance, and right now this is the upward trending, and the price minimum is getting higher, and you can see that the price is squeezing the level here, and I suppose that the price will break through this level, and maybe that's why I'll enter the market for 2 minutes with an up trade. And I'm choosing this time in case of a small flat or a bounce, but I think that price has strength to go up. But let me wait for the results and see. So analyzing this, the price really went up and I really got my profits, and I'm very happy. So let me go on. So here you can see I returned to 1 hour ago in my chart in order to define this level due to the lowest candles here. And clicking back to the beginning of this chart, you can see that this has been a very good downward trend, and the price maximum is getting lower. And you can see that there is a distance to the level of support. That's why I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, because I think that after the pullback, our price will trend down here because it has the strength to go down. Let me wait for the results and see. Analyzing this, price trended down to the level of support, and I've got the profit here, and the downtrend resumed. But let me go on. So here I returned the chart to 1 hour ago, and I'm defining this level again according to the candles, and this is a level of resistance here because price is trending towards it from bottom to top, and you can see that there is a distance to the level of resistance, which is why I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, as you can see, price really trended up and I've got very good profit, and this time was really chosen correctly and the price had the strength to go up. But let me go on. So this is the level of resistance, and this has been a very good trend upwards. Price hit this level and then pull back down, and now the price is trending again to this level, and the general trend line is going up. So here I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes, and I think that the price will trend to this level. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this, price trended up without any pullbacks and the level was broken through. So let me continue. So here you can pay attention to the level of support and you can notice that there has been a very good trending down and the price hit this level and then pulled back, and now you can see that the price is again approaching this level, and this is a very good and very big red candlestick. So here I'll open a down trade for 2 minutes because price maximum is getting lower and price is squeezing this level. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this, the price trended down and broke through this level, and this time was really chosen correctly. So let me find another situation. So I scored the chart back to 1 hour ago and I'll define this level according to the lowest candle here, and it is the level of support because price is trending towards it from top to bottom, and this is the downtrend and this is the distance to the level of support. And I'll enter the market here with a down trade for 2 minutes because I'm sure that the price will be trending towards this level and it can even break through it. So let me wait for the results and see. So analyzing this situation, price trended down and broke this level through and the profit was very good. But let me go on. So this is a level of resistance and this is a very good trend upwards. There is a distance to the level of resistance. So I'm going to enter the market for 2 minutes with an up trade because I think that the price will trend towards this level during this time. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this situation, after the flat zone, the trending up resumed and I've got the profit from this transaction. But the price hasn't hit this level of resistance. So here I'll enter the market here again because I think it is better to enter with a down trade instead for 1 minute because you can see that the price has already hit the level up and there's likely to be a retracement here. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, the price got to the retracement and I've got the profit here, and maybe in the future the level will be broken through, but I'll find another situation to trade on. Well friends, here you can see after some time the price pulled back down and then it trended up and broke this level through. But after the breakout you can see that the price fixed over this level and then the flat zone occurred. And there was a slight pullback down here. So I'm entering the market here with an up trade for 1 minute because I think that the price will trend up very soon and then we will get results from this trade. So let's wait and see. So analyzing the situation, the price really trended up and I've got my profit again. So let me go on. So I scrolled back the chart again in order to define this level according to this candle, and you can see this is the toppest candle and this is the toppest point. So clicking forward, you can notice a very good trending upwards, and there is a distance to this level. So I'll enter the market here with an up trade for 2 minutes, and the price will trend towards this level, I'm sure. But let me wait and see the results of this trade and see. So analyzing this situation, price really trended up and broke through this level, and price has a very good strength to go up, and my balance here you can see is now $3,378. So I want to find the last transaction today of a very good situation. So let me go. So at the bottom of this is the level of support, and right now this is a very good trending down, and there is some distance to the level of support. So I'll enter the market here with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, the price really resumed trending down, and I've got my profit, and this time was really chosen correctly, of course, because the price hit this level and then pulled back up, and now my balance you can see is $4,878, and I'm very happy with this, and I would like to stop here for today. So friends, as you saw, I was able to use this working strategy well. I was able to interpret the market, able to find entry points and enter the market and open a trade and make profit, which you can be able to do as well. You need to find similar situations as well and be able to trade. So you saw my working strategy was based on technical analysis. I was looking at the resistance level, the support level. I was looking at price movement up and price movement down before opening a trade. So you can be able to practice as well this. So if you have any questions, I have a closed community in Telegram. So to join this closed community, you need to write me with a code word, but I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. Write me with that code word, money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat. You can be able to comment, you can be able to ask me questions, you can be able to interact with the other members, whether you are advanced, whether you are a beginner, whether you are middle, whether you have traded before. You can be able to join this and you can be able to learn something new, because there is always something new to learn about crypto trading. So I'm inviting you to join. I'm always ready to answer all your questions, and also I post their trading signals once a day. So if you really like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video, and also do not forget to hit that notification button so that you can be notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, bye bye.